Good evening, Kievski. Today at our training day, we decided to go down to the village that our artificers have been working on and look at what they've been building and also explain a little bit about what these items are and how we are going to use them in the future and why it is important that we have your help to make these items and why we need your help getting the materials to make these items. So this is Max Good. He is one of our Kievskis and he is going to explain what's been going on since he has been making it, since he's one of our artificers.
Okay, so we have a lot of pieces here today that are going to be essential to helping to defend our campsite and also building on to things later, such as cabins and even a whole village, hopefully. Here we have our chevaux de frise. This is a simple blockade. Right now this is basically a tripping hazard with as little as it is, but we've designed this, it's been designed so that the stakes work crossways to hold it up, and it's more of a deterrent and a quick roadblock that we can throw up. Over here we have our hurdle, which this is a basic wall. Now our hurdle here has sunken back some because when we first initially put it in, the ground was frozen. But this would be what a basic wall for any bushcraft structure would be. We would use these as a way to stand behind to give us cover for combat. We can also use these as a base structure for a wall or for a cabin eventually, or just a simple bushcraft structure. We've used 4 stakes to put it in the ground, and then we tried to use straight poles to create our wall. Here we have some of the tools we've been using. We used a Scotch eye to create our own mallet out of a log and a stick, which works out quite nicely. We drilled a hole through the log and put the stick on, and we've been using that as a mallet. We use natural wedges made from the tree itself. That way we could split the logs and the materials we were using. We've been using stakes that we created to hold the logs in place as we split them. And as part of our split projects, we've come up with this nice little stool here, or bench, that we've been using to work on, or just to sit on. And then one of our continuous projects, the actual wood that we split here, what our goal is we're working towards creating a hand-hewed beam, which is something we worked on here with building the technique to create these hand-hewed beams so that we can see what it takes to actually make a cabin so that we can move on towards making our village and defending it.